All of us?
Yes.
So are we clear how to help the client define the problem and define the outcome? Can quickly each of you tell me what your outcome is? So Sunita ji ने मुझे बता दिया. Sunita ji, you have corrected it, right? मतलब you have modified
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
हाँ. Prapti, mute पे हो आप.
Written it on chat, Nitin.
Written it on chat. All right. So I wish to believe that I have the capability to handle any issues calmly and confidently. I wish to take decisions about my career with absolute freedom. Perfect. Anyone else? Anita.
Okay, my clients, I can give you my client's outcome. I wish to search for jobs and develop the required skills, especially communication skills.
Perfect. And your client was?
Priyanka.
Priyanka. Perfect. Who else?
So my outcome. I wish I was calm about my husband's mismanagement when he doesn't follow timings of medicine.
So I would, if you could change the word mismanagement to something else, what would that be?
About my husband's actions.
Okay.
When he doesn't follow timings of medicine.
But again, here it is the second person you are having a wish for, right?
No, here the wish is for herself that I feel
No,
calm
I wish
about
I
that.
was calm.
Okay.
Okay. And with respect to from a behavior, and when you have spoken to your husband about the timing of medicine, what does he say?
Oh, he knows, but he forgets and he doesn't like. He is busy in some work. He will not do it. They not eat it.
Perfect. So is there something that you could do to ensure that there is a way in which he doesn't forget that? Or if there's a behavioral strategy that can be put in, what would that be?
Yeah, so I was just shouting at him. So I will not shout now.
So apart from shouting, what can be done? So for example, let's say you have to do something and you forget the timings for something. And if you have to remind yourself what is the time, how would you remind yourself? What will you do to know that it's time for you to do something?
Okay, so I will put alarm. So I send him a reminder 10 minutes before, but then also he doesn't come. And that's what I was doing. But then I said, okay, I'm not going to send any reminder or anything. You have to take care of it yourself.
Okay, perfect. Who else?
Yeah. Can I go?
हाँ निकिता बोलिए.
Yes. So the statement was, I feel worried about my mother's health when the thought comes in that she is not keeping well these days. Okay. And then earlier, what I had written was, I wish my mother fight back like a superhero, but then it was a wish for her. So I changed it to, I wish I accept the life situations as they come.
I wish.
I take the life situation as they come.
I wish I take the life situations as they come.
Yeah.
Can you make it? Can you tell me the problem statement again once?
Yeah. So I feel worried about my mother's health when the thought comes in that she is not keeping well these days.
Okay. So if you have to include your mother's health in that statement, in the I wish statement, what would that be?
Mother's health in the statement.
Okay. In the wish statement.
I wish I'll be more calm and stable when I hear about my mother's health.
Perfect. Okay. So the reason I changed this for her, I asked her to change this slightly, is because when she said I take life process as they come, that's too generic.
Okay.
Right? For example, in the beginning when we worked and I mentioned that I feel relaxed about conflicts, at least there's conflicts which gives the context. So the mind knows when there is a conflict, then I need to feel relaxed. Right? But if she would have said that I feel relaxed about everything that's happening in my life, that's too generic. So you want to provide at least some context in the outcome statement. It doesn't have to be like specific to which conflict or which fight or what news about my mother, but still it has to be contextualized enough to know in which area are you looking at it. Is the idea clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have written mine inside on the chat.
Right, Anita, so I need you to, because it's again about your daughter. I wish
Yeah.
that my daughter would be more outgoing and connecting with people. So while your daughter figures out a way to do that, whenever she does that, what needs to change with you?
I should be patient with her actually.
Perfect. So what will be the outcome statement? I wish to be?
I wish my daughter would be more outgoing and connecting with people, but that would make me happy if she does this. So this is how I supposed to write it, or
No,
should I say that I should allow my daughter to do it her way or something like that?
Correct. So you have to decide. So current situation is, what was the problem statement that you created?
Problem is that she disconnects and withdraws from people, and that makes me more scared and anxious.
Can you put it in the I feel wala format?
I feel my daughter should be more connecting to people.
No, the problem statement. The problem statement.
I wish. Okay. No, sorry. I feel that one.
Hmm.
I feel scared and anxious about my daughter when she withdraws and disconnects from people.
Okay. So I feel scared and
anxious.
What will be the opposite of scared and anxious?
I'm more relaxed and happy. I would be.
Perfect. So can you put that into the sentence?
I would feel more
about yourself.
Okay. I wish to be more relaxed and happy if my daughter would be a little more connecting with people like that.
Correct. But then that again depends on your daughter. While your daughter figures out a way to do that or chooses to do that or not do that, how do you?
I would rather be patient and allow her to take her time to go through that stage.
Perfect. So then I wish to be patient and allow her to take her time to go through that stage.
Yeah. Okay.
Is this clear for all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So this is how you bring the client from others to self. And that's the objective of the outcome statement. Anyone else जिसका नहीं हुआ है?